Each crash has a lesson, a moment, a mistake, and sometimes a wake-up call. Today, we're diving into 13 real motorcycle crashes, captured on camera. Some are wild, some are tragic, but all of them are real and packed with lessons for every rider. Let's begin. Crash 1. Bear encounter. Gone wrong.
It makes the audio sound a little goofy. Holy sh**.
Off-road adventure turned wild, literally. A rider deep in the woods suddenly meets a bear crossing the trail. He hits it, falls, then freezes. Pick up the bike or run from the bear. Sometimes even nature tests your riding reflexes. Crash 2. Green light but not safe. He had the green, but he stopped to double-check. Smart move. Too bad the driver behind him wasn't paying attention. A reminder that even when you're doing the right thing, others might not. Crash 3. Leaning without protection. A woman leans into a turn, but one of her side sliders scrapes the road. Down she goes, wearing only a helmet. At higher speeds, that would have meant serious road rash. Gear up always. Crash 4. Too fast on the overpass.
Because I've never been said a word to anyone. I never will. What? I didn't think it was mandatory. I thought it was just. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Truck dash cam shows a rider entering a corner too hot on an overpass. He misjudges it, clips the edge, and goes flying. Speed and corners, a deadly mix if you're not precise. Crash 5. Fast ride in a quiet neighborhood.
Dude, are you okay? Damn, lay down, lay down.
Neighborhood home security cam catches a rider speeding past a house and slamming straight into a parked car. His bike crashes into the front porch. Unfamiliar road? Inexperience? Maybe both. Either way, speed doesn't belong in residential areas. Crash 6. Burnout backfire. At a red light, a biker revs up and burns the rear tire. Show-off moment? Maybe. But the front brake slips, and the bike launches forward into a car. Cool move gone very wrong. Crash 7. Clutch panic.
It's okay, truck. I'm fucking fine. Don't stop.
Beginner at a stop sign. He accelerates too hard, pops the clutch, and the bike bucks him off. Before hitting real roads, master the basics. Empty parking lots exist for a reason. Crash 8. Red light roulette. Two scooters run a red light thinking they'll make it. They don't. Another biker comes from the left, full speed. A brutal collision. Traffic lights aren't suggestions. They're lifelines. Crash 9. Hayabusa versus Hidden Road. A Hayabusa rider lets it rip on a twisty, unfamiliar road. Blinded by a curve, he flies off into the bushes. Fast bikes need smart riders, especially when the road's a mystery. Crash 10, wheelie into trouble. Doing a wheelie, but the car in front slows down to turn. Too late to react. He crashes into the rear. If your front wheel is in the air, your reaction time isn't. Crash 11, close call with a truck. Going well above speed limits. A truck makes a tiny lane adjustment, and the rider wipes out inches away. This could have ended in tragedy. Speed isn't worth your life. Crash 12, the electric flip. Pulling a wheelie on an electric bike, but something goes wrong. And he flips backward hard. No power mode will save you from poor balance. Crash 13, the rear brake lesson. Another wheelie. He starts well until he shifts position, loses control of the rear brake. Down he goes. Wheelies might look cool until they don't. Every one of these riders made a choice. Some small, some reckless. But they all paid the price. Ride smart, ride aware, and above all, learn from the mistakes of others. This is MotoScope, where every crash tells a story.